Here is how to create a server tag on Discord. So first you need to go to Discord application or go to discord.com and log into your account and open the server where you want to create the tag. Then tap on Server Boost option, which is in the left-hand side of the screen below the events. Click on Enable. You'll need 3 boosts to enable a server tag. If you don't have any boost, you'll need to purchase them. And if your server already have 3 boosts, you can get a server tag for free. If needed, click on Continue and follow the process to purchase boost. Select Configure after that and turn on the Enable Server option. Enter your desired server tag and choose a badge and badge color for your tag and click on Save Changes and click the Adopt Tag button to add the server tag to your profile. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.